I think that your explanation of how you ruled in the Hobden case is admirable. I'm not sure about your explanation with regard to giving the president more leash or more authority because of 9/11 squares with that. Can you shed some light?
That was simply a proposal in 2009 when President Obama was coming into office that for Congress to consider, but there would be pros and cons if Congress did consider something like that, and it wasn't immunity. It was simply the timing of litigation, the Clinton versus Jones scenario, for example. And it was something, an idea based on my experience, but Congress would, of course, consider the pros and cons. The principle I emphasized there was no one's above the law in the United States Constitution in the United States government. There is a question, and that's Federalist 69, of course, but it's also woven right into the text of the Constitution. But there's a question about timing for members of the military, for example. That's why we have deferral for them. But it was not a constitutional position. So I really want to emphasize that, Senator, that was not a position of what I thought was required by the Constitution, rather something to be studied as Congress studies things all the time to ensure the effective operation of the government. On your